Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You must be an administrator to change the Windows Firewall service. Once you confirm admin access, open Start, type Services, MSC, and press Enter to launch the Services console. In the Services list, scroll to Windows Firewall or Windows Defender Firewall and pause to check the status column. Make sure Remote Procedure Call is running. If RPC is stopped, start it first. This initial check prevents failures later, so do not skip verifying dependencies before attempting to change the firewall service state. Now you will configure and start the service. Right-click Windows Defender Firewall and choose Properties. This opens Startup Type and Service Status Controls. Set Startup Type to Automatic or Automatic, Delayed Start, so the service starts reliably at boot, then click the Start button under Service Status to launch it immediately. Once done, click Apply and OK to save. You may need to repeat for all profiles, domain, private, and public, so the firewall is active across network types and protects traffic as intended. Finish by verifying the firewall is active in Control Panel under Windows Defender Firewall. You should see On for the current network profile. You can also open an elevated PowerShell or command prompt and run net start mpssvc or sc query mpssvc to confirm the service is running. If the service won't start, make sure group policy isn't disabling it and temporarily disable third-party antivirus or firewall software. One troubleshooting tip: inspect Event Viewer under System for MPSS.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.